Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Dolly, once again, back again with another video. And today I am here to show you one product which I have got like recently, and I simply love it. Like, it's not that expensive, also, and at the same time, I find it personally very useful. So, presenting to you a blow dryer. This is a volume. This is a hair volume. This is a hair volumizer from the brand Lifelong. Yeah. So this particular product on Zepto, and this was pretty much affordable and pretty much cheap. So I thought of giving it a try because I wanted a blow dryer for myself. I already have one, but that is not for styling. That is basically to dry my hair. But I wanted something with which I can actually achieve a proper, styled hair, like a blow dried hair, like how you see those 90s blow dry hairstyles, on Pinterest. So similarly, I also wanted those Pinteresty hair, which is why I wanted a blow dryer like that, and I got this from Lifelong. So I'm just gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna review this product today for you. So I've emptied the box already for you, and I'm just gonna show you one by one what was there in that box. So you can see this booklet. It's a user manual, which I think you might not require that much because it's very straightforward process. But if you want to still go through it, you can. It's handy for you. And yeah, I'll mention the price of this product on the video somewhere here. I can't recall right now, but it was definitely less than 2000 and more than 1000. So I can't recall it right now, but I'll definitely mention it somewhere in the video. So moving on. So first attachment is they have given is this simple blow dryer, which I think you see these blow dryers in salon, which they actually use so that they can properly style your hair while blow drying it. So this one they have provided, which you can totally attach to your device. Now I'm just gonna show you the device. This is the stick which they have given. Now I actually use this volumizer brush, what we call it, I don't know. So I am mostly using this, so it is already attached to this, but you can just click on this button, and this will help you to remove this. Now once you have removed it, you can just place this. Now your normal hair dryer is ready. I'm just gonna maybe use it for you so that you have an idea how this works. Although my hair is already 70% dried, so I don't need a hair dryer. But in case you have washed your hair and you have to go somewhere and you don't have time to air dry it, then you can use this particular dryer, because in this particular stick they have provided different modes also of heat, if you can say. One is actually your cool, I think. Yeah, and one is off. Then they have given the cool. Then they have given low mode and high mode. Cool mode is basically when if you just drying your hair, like air drying it, and you don't wanna damage your hair or use a lot of heat on your hair, you can use this particular option. And if you want a little bit of heat so that your hair is in place or styled, then you will be needing some amount of some amount of heat. So in that case, they have given two options, medium heat and the high heat. So you can use either of it. So right now I'll just show you how you can dry your hair. I'm using the Moonlighter. You can also style it with the help of this. Right now I'm not using it to style my hair because my hair is already dry, and I actually don't have that handy brush which I can use so as to style this like that. Yeah. And I think this is not very useful for me because I already have a dryer which can dry my hair, like a normal Philips dryer. And this is basically for the styling. But the purpose this is used for, that is also provided through this brush. So I actually don't need this one much. But this you will get along with your other parts which they have provided. So yeah, maybe for some people this could be useful too. So moving on, I'm just gonna go. Now this is like a sort of a hair brush. अभी तक मैंने इसको यूज़ नहीं किया, मुझे भी आइडिया नहीं है कि how good is it or how bad is it. I think it looks like a normal brush, probably to comb your hair. Now I'm just gonna attach it and we'll see together how it works because this is the first time I'm using this one. Okay. Okay. It's... I don't know why it's not getting inside.
2,000 years later.
I just fixed it like this. Like it is, I think now it is fixed. Okay, maybe I have to press this button. I was not pressing it properly, that's what's not happening. I'm not gonna go for high mode because it's very hot. I don't want my hair to get, I don't want my hair to be damaged. I don't want to subject them to so much of heat. So I'm just gonna go for low heat. Okay, so what I've noticed is that this is basically for straightening your hair. As you can see, my hair looks pretty straightened and you can see that they don't look very frizzy. I'm sorry. So they look very straightened and you can notice that they don't look very frizzy. But I think if you go for low mode, then it is basically combing your hair and making your hair a bit frizz free. But if you are going to high mode, it is actually straightening your hair as well. Now when it comes to straightening your hair, it also depends on the texture of your hair. ठीक है? So मेरा बाल जो मेरा hair है वो it's not very thick. It's not very thick and I don't have a lot of volume also. Like I used to have a lot of volume, but these days I'm not having that much of volume. So my hair is pretty much manageable. It is easy to curl them. It is easy to straighten them. And the curl of the straightened hair stays as well. So I'm not gonna break your bubble, but this might give you a temporary straightened hair. But I cannot assure you that your hair is gonna be frizzy throughout the day. Okay, probably for 3 hours or 4 hours it might stay, so you can use it when you are going for a party or something. But this straightened hair, it might not stay for that long because I can feel it that my hair has become really smooth and frizz free. But I can imagine that if somebody who has thick hair or more sort of bushy hair, so उनके बालों में ना थोड़ा सा उन्हें अलग से probably some sort of hair spray or कुछ use करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा उनका. Now I'm just gonna go with another one. So this is like a second last setting which we have. Setting बोलेंगे क्या बोलेंगे, attachment बोलेंगे ना. I don't know what to call it. Okay, I'm not a hair expert, but anyways, this is like again a brush which I have not used. So this is the first time I will be using this one also for you guys. And this looks like this. I think ये curling के लिए है because it has a very rounded sort of head and brush भी एक तरफ ही है, which means it can be used to curl your hair. So I can give it a shot. But before this, since it's a curling brush, I will like to show you the one which volumizes your hair because it makes more sense since I have to do this part of my hair and it's already more than 70% dried, so I don't want to wait for more. So this is the favorite, or I should say the most important attachment of this product, or I should say the most the sorry. Okay, मेरे words नहीं आ रहे मुंह में. So I should say it's my most favorite attachment in this product. Yes. And this is a blow dry brush which is basically properly rounded. You must have seen this kind of brushes in salon. It's very much available and it's very much useful. They usually use this particular product to style hair. And this is my go-to product like for every day. I don't use it every day, but whenever I have my hair is wet and I have to basically fix my fringes, I use this. People who have curtain bangs, this is gonna be a boon for them, I'm telling you. Because we don't wanna look like Salmon Bhai.
Bruh.
Yeah. Tere naam is a gone case. It's gone. Okay, we are not living in that era right now. So girlies, don't go with that hair. If you don't have any other choice, then that's a different story altogether. But if you do have a choice, then definitely, you would like to use this kind of brushes. So this is gonna definitely help you to, make your bangs look banging, not like, yeah. So let's just start. I'm like, literally, I'm so excited to show you this brush. Okay, button press किया है मैंने पहले की तरह and now it's fixed. So what I was doing wrong, मैंने button press नहीं किया था, which is why it was, all loose. Now since I pressed the button and I put the attachment into this particular, what else we call it, a stick. So yeah, it happened. Now I'll just shut my mouth and I'll show you how we do it. I've got my mirror also because obviously I need to see my face. I can't do it without that. Okay. Now I'm just going to put it on low mode because I don't want a lot of heat on my hair. You can use a heat protectant also, but right now I don't have heat protectant. That's why I'm not using it. But I would suggest you to use heat protectant because you would want to use this product every day and I don't want you to spoil your hair. Okay. So yeah. It makes a lot of noise though. So we'll just take some hair like this. Oh,
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
oh my god. Trust me, this does not happen often. I think this happened because I did not put the attachment properly. See, you have to, once you have put this particular attachment into this, you have to move it and check. Otherwise, what happened with me, this can happen to you also. Okay. Now, see, the click sound has come, which means it's fixed. And we can move on with our video now. So, बेइज्जती हो गई मेरी आज. You just see this curve, थोड़ा बहुत, that you are not stopping here. You have to go on and do it more. See, you can see this one. And now moving to the other one. Okay. So you can see the little bit of bounce which has appeared on my hair, which was not there earlier. Right now I'm not able to do it properly because the mirror is very small, and I literally, my hair was already dry. You have to make sure your hair is 70% wet, so that the entire styling process can happen smoothly. Which is why whenever salon people they have cut your hair, the hair is usually wet. Which is why they do the styling, because your hair is supposed to be wet. They ho to gaya, it's not that bad. You can see the bounce, and your hair doesn't look like Salmon Bhai now. It looks like those 90s ka blowout which you wanted. You can do it much better. I know I am not that talented. I'm pretty sure you are much better than me, and you will be able to do something better than this. Let's move to this brush, and I am also excited to use this one because I have not used this one before. Click sound should come, otherwise it will just move on your hair, and it will be useless for you. So let's go. Using the low mode. Realistic brush. Oh, this is indeed a sort of a curling brush. It is not gonna give you tight curls, but I think you can have you can achieve those waves through this particular brush. I feel I don't know how to use this properly right now because this is the first time using this kind of brush. I usually curl my hair through a straightener. This is something new, but it looks nice. Let's try again. बहुत शोर मचाता है ये. I think that is the only flaw. क्योंकि Dyson, if you are buying Dyson is not that much noisy जितना noisy ये है, and इसका rod भी अच्छा खासा गर्म हो जाता है, तो you have to be very careful. Okay, this part is very warm. नीचे से जो है उतना warm नहीं लग रहा. Brush तो उतना ठीक है, छू सकते हो आप, but this part is pretty much warm. So you have to be careful. And I actually use high mode, which is why ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया. Otherwise low mode में मुझे इतना problem नहीं हो रहा था. I think that is the only thing which I could see that it's not that effective compared to Dyson. बाकी Dyson के obviously heads जो provide वो करते हैं, those are obviously since Dyson is a very expensive product, I think it has more settings available. Settings बोलेंगे attachments available, which is why you get to use different kind of heads which are gonna maybe make the styling process more easy for you. But this, I think overall this product at this particular price is good enough for you because it does the job. It's just that it is pretty much noisy. So yeah, it can get annoying, but if you're using a normal dryer also, so that also makes a lot of noise. So I think that is not a big concern as such. Or baki, when it comes to doing its job, I think it does its jobs really well. क्योंकि मेरे को अपने बाल जो मुझे चाहिए से मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरे को चाहिए कि मेरे बैंग्स अच्छे से रहें, सो वो रहते हैं, विच आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांट. सो आई थिंक it does its job properly. Curling head, I would say curling head is not the best one so far. Like मुझे ऐसा कुछ खास डिफरेंस पता नहीं चल रहा. लाइक थोड़ा सा रोल हुआ है यहाँ पे, but it's not like it's doing a proper curl to your hair. But I think you can still use it. Maybe you can try using that brush over your hair, like your bangs, because the brush is pretty much small. So yeah, this particular head I'm not so sure. This one was nice, I think, for people who like straight hair and frizzy hair. I think ये अच्छा है. मैंने आज पहली बार यूज़ किया और मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मेरे बाल सच में काफ़ी सॉफ्ट लग रहे हैं छूने में. Overall, I would want to rate this product out of 10, probably 7, because I think it does its job really well. कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, जैसे हर कोई कैन नॉट एफोर्ड डाइसन, बिकॉज डाइसन लाइक 40-50 शायद थाउजेंड में मिलता है. आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट्स द प्राइस, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट इज़ मोर देन 50,000. एंड इसका तो 2000 में ही काम हो गया. एंड 2000 में यू आर गेटिंग द एंटायर this stick along with these 4 heads where you can dry your hair, you can give waves to your hair, you can literally get a proper 90s ka blow dry which you wanted. So I think it's good enough. You don't need a Dyson. If you don't have money, you can definitely go for this one. हाँ, इसमें थोड़ा हीटिंग का इशू है कि इसका अगर आप यू आर यूजिंग हाई मोड, this stick will get a pretty it will get pretty hot. So you have to be very careful when you're using it. Don't touch it ऐसे चेहरे पे, तो मुझे इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. बाकी इतना भी हीट नहीं हो रहा. Like this part is not that much hot when I'm using it. Only that this part is getting hot when I'm using the hot mode. और वो भी अगर मैं लो मोड में कर रही हूँ तो मुझे उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, पता नहीं चल रहा है. बाकी इसमें मोड्स भी अवेलेबल है, विच इज़ एक्चुअली नाइस, क्योंकि बहुत सारे आजकल स्ट्रेटनर्स वगैरह में अवेलेबल होते ही हैं. तो दैट इज़ अगेन अ प्लस पॉइंट. यू आर गेटिंग लाइक 3 मोड्स हियर. कूल भी है, लो भी है, हाई भी. आई थिंक कूल मोड आप मोस्टली हेयर ड्राई के यूज़ कर सकते हो यूज़, बिकॉज बालों में ज़्यादा हीट नहीं डालना चाहिए इतना ज़्यादा frequently. So yeah, that is it for the video. This is a very small video. I don't know whether it's gonna be small or not because I blabber so much. But yeah, I just wanted to show this product, to you all, because I know there are a lot of people who are, who see these particular pictures on Pinterest and they want to achieve the same look or same hair. But they obviously cannot afford Dyson, just like me. Like I also cannot afford Dyson. It's not like I cannot buy it, but I don't want to spend so much money on Dyson as of now, because yeah, it's very expensive for me, to be honest. It's maybe someday I'll definitely buy Dyson, because I have heard like लोगों को Dyson बहुत पसंद आता है, and mostly people who have got Dyson, they have never felt that they have spent a lot of money, or like they have no regrets basically. So for now we can maybe work with products which are affordable. Just like this, we have certain other available in the market. Like I've seen from Agaro, I'm not sure it's Agaro or something else. There's one from Winston also. So वो सब भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, but I have not tried those. But this one is also nice. You can definitely give it a try. Baki, I'll catch you guys again in another video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is like my gun. I'm showing it to you. You have to subscribe to my channel. I think I have to start doing that only now, because people are literally watching my videos. They're not subscribing to my channel. Why? Okay, I'm just kidding. You can subscribe to my channel if you really like the video. I am not forcing you. Or maybe I am.